While we here at Good Day LA cannot make it less annoying, we may actually be able to help with the bottom line. There are write-offs and deductions that could save you hundreds of dollars if you only knew about them. That's why finance expert Lynn Richardson is here with us this morning, because she is going to help save us money. Don't we just love her for that? We send you a virtual hug in advance, Lynn.
I love it. I love it.
Well, look, I think these deductions can be a little confounding, so why not turn to an expert to find out? Is there truth? You can confirm or deny this, that you can hire your children to do work around the house and then use that as a deduction?
So you can hire your children to work in your home-based business. You can pay each child up to $12,400 a year. That $12,400 is tax-free to your child, and it's a tax write-off to you. So that's just the first of tens of thousands of dollars of deductions. It's in IRS Publication 15, page 14, for those who want to fact check, and the Department of Labor. So for those who are fearful of labor laws, the Department of Labor says that a child of any age can work in entertainment and in a parent's home-based business. So this has to be a parent's home-based business, and you can hire them to do things like file papers, administrative work. Younger children can do chores. Older children can do social media. So there are all kinds of jobs that children can do. And I actually have a class, how to hire your kids and get your money back.
That's very cool. I'm thinking I wish I could go back and retroactively do this because, in all of us, right, all the chores we were doing way back in the day, we're thinking maybe our parents could have benefited from this. Okay, there's a really interesting deduction that divorced people can claim. Walk us through this one.
Yeah, so if you are divorced, you can turn your ex into a profit by contributing to your IRA. Unfortunately, many divorcees are in a situation where they are either not working or they're not earning the income or the household income has decreased.
Yeah.
Well, any payments that you are receiving through alimony, separation, maintenance agreements, that money is eligible for you to actually put into an IRA up to $6,000 a year.
Wow.
So that's going to reduce your taxable income and lower the amount of money that you owe the IRS.
Super smart. It is super smart. Okay, this is the one that is going to blow some minds. We get a little visit from a lady named Auntie Flo. You know what I'm talking about. You're talking about feminine hygiene products that women use.
Let me tell you, first of all, I suffered with terrible pains every single month for a long, long time. So this is going to alleviate that.
This is a little hallelujah for you, isn't it?
Yes, this is a hallelujah. So your tampons, your other feminine hygiene needs, even ibuprofen, if you have to take medication. Absolutely. If you have a home-based business, again, this is for home-based, self-employed business owners doing any job that you can do from your home. You can consult, you can do hair, you can tutor, whatever it is you're doing as a home-based business. If you set up a self-employed medical reimbursement account, you now get to write off all of these medical expenses, including braces and other things like that, that you otherwise cannot get a tax write-off for. So yes, these are tax deductible.
Let us repeat it one more time. If you are working from home, not just working from home, if you have a home-based business, the words matter. If you have a home-based business, you can do that, because just anybody else cannot deduct these things.
Absolutely. You have to be a self-employed, home-based business owner. And the beautiful thing about that is this is for sole proprietors. So what's happened with COVID and the pandemic, unfortunately, on the health side, has actually benefited sole proprietors on the wealth side, because you're treated just like any other business, a sole proprietor. Yes.
Okay. Now, you say meals can be a deduction. Is this also self-employed, home-based business?
Yes, this is self-employed, home-based business owners. When you go out to eat with your girlfriends, you just went out to eat and you spent money. But if you go out to eat and you discuss business, it's now a business dinner, a business breakfast, a business lunch, a business coffee meeting at Starbucks or wherever you're going. Now it's a tax write-off. Not only is the meal a tax write-off, but the mileage to and from the business dinner or the business meal is also a tax write-off. So every time I go out to eat, it's always for business.
Exactly. And again, if you have a home-based business, that's the important thing. Now, here's the one that I know we really need to dive in on. There are expenses around your home office and the functioning of it that can be used as a deduction. But again, there's an if.
Yes. So this is huge. This is thousands of dollars. If you are self-employed with a home-based business and you have a home office, you get to deduct a percentage of your rent, a percentage of your mortgage, a percentage of your light bill, a percentage of your gas bill, a percentage of your internet, your cable, your pool cleaning bill, your landscaping bill, every single thing. In addition, you get to write off all of the furniture and equipment inside that home office, but that home office must be used exclusively for business. You can't sleep there. It can't be the great room where everybody gathers to watch television. It has to be used exclusively for business. So these are some great ways to stack up tens of thousands of dollars in tax deductions.
Let us repeat. If your company sent you home to work during the pandemic, that does not qualify as a home-based business. You just
Correct.
happen to be working from home.
Absolutely. Yeah. So if your employer sent you home to work, what you also now need to do is take advantage of this time to find your skills, find your talents. What do you do? What do you love? What do you enjoy? What are you skilled at? And turn it into a home-based business, because what's going to happen? You're going to make more money and you're going to keep more money.
I love it. Lynn Richardson, always a delight to have you on. Thank you so much for thinking about our pockets for us and helping us figure out ways that we can save a little bit more of that hard-earned cash. Good to see you.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Have a great weekend. For more, you can check out Lynn's book, Get Your Money Back, Tax Deductions You Never Knew About.